Hey everyone, I want to share with you a story that I know will resonate with you guys. And the story is about my own flexibility with my body. So, a long time ago, not even that too long ago, I would say about like 10 years ago, I was very flexible, meaning being able to do stretches, being able to bend my body in different ways. And it was a routine for me for doing the practices of stretching every day. And then I decided to stop doing that. And what happened? My body just got so much more tight. And what happened also is I have been dealing with some back pains from my time of playing football and also just from life. So I've been looking up different things for how to alleviate back pain. And I saw all these different things and it had me very like, there's so much information out there. I don't know which one to take. And yeah, for anything that we have a current situation with, there's all these different people who are showing their way of how they were able to alleviate whatever you're looking to get relief from. So for myself, my intention was to relieve myself of this back pain and also to be flexible. I do meditation and I had this passion for being able to do a full lotus. And to be able to do a full lotus, you have to make sure that your hips and your quads and all that stuff is flexible. So I was doing the stretches like I was doing it before, and it wasn't really working for me. It wasn't working to the point I was getting impatient. I was like, why is it not working? Why is it not working? And I allowed myself to get to a place like, okay, this isn't working. Is there something else that resonates that I can do? And what I did was I came with this intuitive idea, and also the universe responded to me with a synchronistic advertisement for a stretch place near me. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Let me try out this stretch place because they offer a free session. And in the one free session, I got so much out of it that I'll be getting with my own sessions with myself. I was doing the stretches because I felt like I needed to do them. And also for me to be able to get to where I was looking to go, I have to get more flexible. But there was a part of me who just didn't want to do it. So what I did was I sought additional help. I'm working with this place now in which I see them twice a week, in which a professional person in stretching is going to stretch me. And also I joined yoga because yoga always helps me get flexible, and I'm doing yoga and it's stretching. So the reason why I was sharing that is I'm sure there's something out there, something that you want to experience or some solution that you want to receive in your life. And there's so many people out there who have dealt with that situation and overcame that situation. And the information is out there. But the number one thing that helps expedite everything is to seek help and receive help for where you're looking to go. Because we can always do it by ourselves, and it's going to take a while. It's going to take longer than expected. Or we can actually speak to an expert who's an expert in what you're looking to accomplish, and a person who can speak your language from where you're at and get you to where you are or where you would like to be in a more quicker way, because they have their own experiences and they have their trials and failures. So they know a formula. So just think about that. If there's a solution you're looking for, ask yourself, who out there overcame what I'm looking to overcome right now? And what is the formula that they have done? And have a conversation with them. Reach out to them. Watch the YouTube videos. Tons of content out there. But I just wanted to share that because it's so much easier to receive help than to try to do it by yourself. Stay connected.